Today we're making a hard hat. For this craft, I'm using a template. Find the link in the description below. You'll also need some scissors, some Scotch tape, and coloring utensils like crayons or markers. Step 1. Color your template. If you don't have access to a printer at home, check out the description below for details on how to arrange to pick up craft supplies at the library. Once you're done coloring, cut the pieces out. Next, tape the pieces together. You may want to measure to be sure that the headband will fit your head first. Be sure to ask for help from an adult. Once everything's taped, you're finished.